Here is the app called Cash Giraffe. Surveys and perks, discover cool tasks, start earning money by discovering games, collect gems, exchange for gift cards, get reward just by playing. So you can just open it up, and here you have it. Yeah, a lot of these apps in this category these days, but this is one of the top ones in the category. So you can see the games, so games, surveys. Uh, so I don't know what. So you can send just yeah. There are some also additional tasks. So you can do survey about, for example, Home Depot store, like how the store looks like, your experience, your checkout process. You do this survey and you earn 5,000 coins. Or you can just go and play this specific game. Remember to click on it directly from the app, and then you see your task, you see your rewards, and then you see your wallet, payout, earn 500 gems to unlock your first reward. So you still need to play. You get in 4,500, 44.99 gems just for logging in. So yeah, that's the idea. They don't have any invite codes, friend codes. I would share it with you, but yeah, this is a really easy app. Uh, and then you just, if you're on commute or something, that's a super easy way to earn some coins and actually withdraw them